On number 39, there was supposed to be a graph here. I couldn't put it in. So the question is, when was Mr. Medbury born? So you're supposed to take your best guess. Letter B is the answer. Okay, on number 40, we have about a wading pool. Here's the water level, and here's the time. And which statement best describes the water level from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock? And so from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. And it looks to me like it is going down. It's going down. It's decreasing. Therefore, the correct answer is letter D. Number 41, which expression has the same value as x to the third? That would be letter C. Number 42 wants to know which one is equivalent to 8a to the 8a to the 6 over 2a to the third to 3. Notice the a's will reduce, and you're left with on a to the third, at least on top you are, and 2 will go into 8 4 times up on top. So you have 4a to the third up on top. Nothing down below. Letter D. Number 43, which graph shows y equals negative x squared? Now this may be confusing to some people, but here's our equation. It is not, when it's like this, negative x squared, that's like saying negative 1 times x squared. It's not negative x, all of that squared. There's a big difference there. There's no parentheses. So it's not this. It's like saying negative 1 times it. Now if I plug in some values like 2, if I put a 2 in there, 2 squared is 4, and 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. If I put a negative 2 in there, negative 2 squared is positive 4, times negative 1 is negative 4. So if you look at this, which graph could this be? Letter C. It kind of makes a sad face. You notice that? By the way, if it's a positive x squared, it makes a happy face. If it's a negative x squared, even negative x squared, it's going to be a sad face. Just kind of keep that in mind. Negative is very sad. Number 44, which graph represents this equation? Well, notice that the y-intercept is at negative 5. So that's down here. So forget this. That's not the answer because the line has to cross here. Well, this one, the line crosses here. So this is possibility. If you look at letter B, no, the line has to go through negative 5. So forget that one. But it does go through negative 5 on this one. So it's one of these two, C or D. Notice that the slope of the line is 2 over 1. It's a positive 2 over 1. It's going to go uphill. Up 2 over 1. Okay, please turn your paper over. And then turn it sideways. Okay, number 45 wants to know the slope of the line. So remember, I just draw a triangle. I count the sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And going up and down, 1, 2, 3. All right, it's a positive slope. And it's 3, the change in y going up and down is 3 over 4. That means our answer is letter B. Number 46, same thing. What's the slope of the line? Notice that it is positive slope. So if it's positive slope, look at your answers. It can't be letter A. That's a negative slope, negative 7. It can't be B because that's a negative slope. So it's either C or D. 47 says, which statement is true about the slope of line AC? Now let me show you something. If I take any 2 points on the line and find the slope, like this is 2 and that's 2 over 2. That's just 1. Over here, that's 4 and 4. 4 divided by 4, that's just 1. The slope is 1, and it doesn't matter what points I pick, the slope is 1 throughout the entire line. It's positive 1. Therefore, the correct answer is letter B. The slope is the same between any 2 points on the line. Okay, number 48. Bananas are on sale. Hey, that's great. It says 3 pounds for $1. Which graph shows a relationship between the number of pounds versus the total cost? And that's why on the graphs we have total cost and we have number of pounds. So our numbers are 3 pounds, $1. So if it's 3 pounds for $1, then it must be 6 pounds for $2, right? Repeat that again. If 3 pounds are $1, if I times it by 2, then 6 pounds must be $2. Okay, let's look at the graphs and see which one matches up. Try to find at $1, remember this is the dollars, right? I'm sorry, this is the number of pounds. Number of pounds, and this is how much money. So at 3 pounds, is it $1? Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Is it $1? And at 6 pounds, well, that's not really 3, is it? That's like 4 or something. And then at 6 pounds, is it about $2? Hey, that might be our answer right there. That might be it. Let me just check the other ones to make sure. How about the next one? Let's see. At $3, is it about? I'm sorry. At 3 pounds, is it about $1? No. Looks like it's about $3. And at 6 pounds, is it $2? No, it looks like it's about $5 or $6. So, no, this one's out. All right, the one below that. Let's see, at 3 pounds, is it $1? No, the line would have to go like that. That's out. And the last one over here, at 3 pounds, is it $1? Yeah, but at 6 pounds, is it $2? No. Okay? So it should be going up like this. So the correct answer is the first one, which I didn't put a letter there, but it's letter A.